Play to earn games are so freaking exciting, and they've proven to be some of the most lucrative investments that people have made in cryptocurrency over the last year.
Do you like money? Better yet, do you like free money?
And moving forward, they will continue to be such a hot topic because it's merging the most just lucrative investment sector in the world, cryptocurrencies, with the most fun and just one of the biggest sectors in the world as far as like engagement and use goes, gaming, right? So look, my name is Vosk, green screen behind me, you see all that stuff, whatever. You know, I make crypto videos, blah, 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 whatever, right? But let me tell you something else about me, something you may not know is that I love gaming. Okay, see behind me, this is the collection I got going on, and that's just the physical medium. Obviously, I've done plenty of PC gaming over the years as well. To put it simply, I am super stoked and excited for play-to-earn games like Axie Infinity, which we have covered before, and I want to actually do more coverage on that because their dual token model and setup is very interesting, and it's provided the ability for people to earn like literally hundreds of thousands of dollars a month just gaming. That's insane. We're also going to be looking at another play-to-earn game that's going to be taking you to space in maybe more ways than one. Now that's fun. That's exciting. But first, I want to show you something that's dear to my heart. Tails, our resident Shiba Inu, our Doge, the Doge that plays the earned treats, and much more here at the VoskCoin HQ. Make sure to slap that subscribe button. Today, we're going to be jumping into some fun play to earn stuff, and then really diving into Starship, who made today's video possible. Have you ever wanted to get into Bitcoin mining, but you don't know where to start? Well, we'd recommend our sponsor, Compass, who not only will connect you with mining farms and you can host Bitcoin miners there, but now they also sell Bitcoin miners that they'll ship directly to your house. Learn more about Compass with the link out in the video description below. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice. So today, play to earn. I mean, it's so exciting. We've talked about Axie Infinity before, and we had our little starter video on that one, but it's a digital nation battle, collect and earn. And wow, did you earn just by simply buying their token. Up over 100,000% in the last year. Nothing short of insane parabolic gains. And that's just with their AXS token, which does a cool, I don't know, $360 million in volume every day. And then you compare that with their Smooth Love Potion, which is just basically another thing to utilize on their platform and a farming mechanic that you can earn. To put it simply, you play to earn some of these and you cash those out, up 2,000% over the last year. But above all, great volume to just be buying and selling these coins. And how can that not excite you, right? They have ignited a true wave, like the initial big this is it wave of play to earn cryptocurrency projects. Like just as a reminder, Axie Infinity and the AXS token is ranked number 23 when ranked by CoinMarketCap. It's the 23rd biggest cryptocurrency project in the world ever right now. And then we have today's focus, Starship.
Starship is setting up to be the next play to earn powerhouse blockchain game. It has all the fundamentals to make it give Axie Infinity a run for its potions.
A Binance Smart Chain project creating a bridge for businesses and users onto blockchain technology, and within its first 6 months, Starship developed a non-custodial wallet, token generator, online learning platform, and a decentralized exchange. But here's the coolest part, is going to be their NFT game, their play to earn game. And I mean, just seeing the little panel right here, it gets me a little nostalgic off the bat. I'm kind of getting StarCraft vibes, right? And yeah, I am excited, and I am a nerd, and I'm not trying to come off shilly or anything like that on this video. What we can see here is we've got a space station, okay, and then we have individual cards or power pieces, you know, hangers and just other elements. Then these are going to be NFTs, non-fungible tokens, kind of traded on top, right? And of course, you're in space, you got to have cool space fighter jets, or you know, cool looking spaceships, whatever these are. And look, I'm just trying to get my Gundam on, right? Because at the end of the day, I feel like an iron-blooded orphan. And if you don't know what that anime is, you are sincerely missing out. That is the best anime of all time. You got so much to learn about Orga and Mika. The Ethereum blockchain is so expensive to use. Decentralized trade right now, 150 bucks. Literally just to send a token from my address to your address costs $50. And that's why I'm so excited to see them building on the Binance Smart Chain. We talk about the Binance Smart Chain a lot. And spoiler, I'm a big fan just from a consumer point of view. All the Binance, Ethereum clone drama aside, you use Binance Smart Chain and you use Ethereum for the exact same things, you're going to make way more money on Binance Smart Chain because you're not paying insane fees just because on Ethereum. I mean, it's ridiculous. Over 23 grand is what it's cost me to transact for 553 transactions. I've completed double the amount of transactions here on Binance Smart Chain. And let me pull up a quick stat for you. Let's go to my analytics. I've spent $671 or about 1 BNB. Okay, in comparison again with the Ethereum blockchain, I've spent over 5 Ethereum, 23 grand for 553 transactions. So clicking over to PooCoin, punching in the contract address for the Starship project and token, simply Starship, we can see that it has a market cap of about 50 million. That still makes it a lower cap coin, but it's not like just micro cap where it's 1 million, $10 million market cap. There's not a ton of liquidity, but 1.4 million is still a very good amount of liquidity for, you know, an up and coming project. And let me just show you completing a trade on here. Let's say I wanted to just do a test transaction, right? 0.01 BNB would give me 2 Starship tokens. And so to complete that trade is going to cost me this much. So the transaction just completed, and actually this is one of the highest prices I've ever paid in gas on the Binance Smart Chain, $3.71. We see that I traded out for 5.61. So just for reference, let me take a trade I did 19 hours ago. This cost me $1, and there were a bunch of transactions involved there. 19 hours ago, did this trade for 55 cents. Anyway, my point is just that it's incredibly cheaper compared to the Ethereum blockchain. And that's also how you can trade the Starship token. I used PooCoin, which brought me right through to PancakeSwap, but they are also traded somewhere else, and that would be Bogged Finance. But it's also a decentralized exchange aggregator here, which means it's supposed to crawl different decentralized exchanges and find you the best deal. In this case, they are also routing us right to the PancakeSwap decentralized exchange, completing the same trade here. You can see, well, same thing's gonna happen. But let's jump back to Starship and just talk more about it and why would you even be buying their token. So they're their Starbase wallet. Securely store and send your tokens with their Starbase crypto wallet. Swap tokens in the app without the use of dApps. View token profiles. Launch your own project on their very own decentralized exchange, making this a platform. They're their Starship token powering all of this. Bridge these businesses, blockchain technology, first 6 months to develop non-custodial. Another little achievement pitch right there. And then their NFT game. Travel the universe. Mine, kyanite, conquer planets. Hold Starship to gain access to the game and receive an exclusive NFT non-fungible token based on the amount of tokens you hold. Space Station NFTs can be purchased in their pre-sale. So all that stuff's fine and dandy, but it's this key piece that interests me. Earn while playing their NFT game. And just, I mean, yeah, okay, I'm interested. They also have a card and it's got Visa on it. Is that true? Starship plus Visa crypto payments. Do you have problems converting your crypto to cash? See, right, I don't know why that took forever to pop up, but transaction 949, I've completed almost 1,000 transactions, just for reference what I was talking about earlier. But not anymore. Enjoy instant settlements and spend at more than 42 million retailers globally. What's really interesting about this is the fact that you can order their cards now. They do have a fee associated though. So there's a load balance fee, 5%, monthly fees associated with all of these cards unless you go towards the platinum, and then they also have their Founders Club NFT, but don't get too excited about that because apparently it's already sold out. So I think this is, you know, very cool, very interesting. Obviously, I'm not going to order a card with any sort of annual fee. I hate recurring fees. That's the path to poverty. But simply put, it's really cool that they offer this. And if you get, you know, heavy into the project, why wouldn't you want, you know, a card associated? Hopefully they offer these for free in the future or something like that after they kind of get off the ground initially. And of course, one of the most important things in this era of crypto is the team anonymous. No, their team for the most part is not anonymous. Docs, their face is attached. You can look into their LinkedIns. You can learn much more about them and just the team associated here, which I think is just absolutely fantastic because I'm personally pretty burnt out of anon projects, a lot of rug pulls, a lot of scamminess, a lot of just nonsense. So to just round it out, put it simply, like I'm really excited for play to earn games. This new era of play to earn gaming, cryptocurrency, it's a huge mashup of things that I just totally love. And so will, you know, Starship be deploying the next best play to earn game? I don't know yet, but I'm definitely watching it, and it's not just because they made today's video possible. Again, but I am biased. I love this stuff, so I'm stoked to see where all this all goes. And again, you know, is this the next Axie Infinity? Am I gonna throw a couple bucks at it? You know, that potential upside is obviously, it's pretty appealing. So I'll leave it at that. I don't want to take it too far. I'm not shilling. You do whatever you want to do with your money. Only thing I'm going to tell you to do right now that you don't have a choice is you're going to smash that subscribe button. You're going to hit the thumbs up. You're going to type up a comment of your thoughts on this project and hit submit or reply or enter, whatever it says to do. And I really appreciate it, because we're getting spammed with so many just scam comments on YouTube. All crypto YouTubers are. So just, you know, taking the time to leave a real one, it means a lot. I mean, it means you're a real one. So I'll stop. I'm done. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Please be advised, there are scammers impersonating us on multiple platforms. I don't want your money. I just want you to smash that subscribe button. Everything in this video is for entertainment purposes only. That means it's not financial advice.